If you woke up in Milwaukee or a little farther south, this is what you saw. Just a little bit of snow, but really nothing more than a cold February morning. But a little bit farther north, it was a different world in Sheboygan, where they had several inches of snow during a winter that seemingly won't end. It's deja vu for residents in Sheboygan.
I feel like twice a week this winter.
How much more of this can you take?
Not much more.
Again, Sheboygan was one of the hardest hit areas, with 5.5 inches of snow this morning, putting lots of residents' patience to the test. Out here shoveling again, how you feel?
It's a little discouraging. The last snow was super heavy. It's not so bad, it's light and fluffy, but I'm sick of it.
But not everyone feels that way. Young kids are enjoying it during recess at school, and so are some who are young at heart.
We didn't get enough earlier in the year, so kind of making up for it later in the year, and I like it.
That's good to hear. Everybody else, they seem to kind of be over this.
Not me. I was over it when it was too warm in the beginning of January, and this is my kind of thing. I like it.
Barry Reynolds has lived in Sheboygan for nearly 25 years, so he's always happy to see some snow. But he knows he has to be cautious. Driving conditions were rough this morning, crews having to deal with several slide-offs as a result.
Roads are pretty bad right now. I mean, they're still pretty slippery.
And you love the snow, but you take your time too.
Oh yeah, you have to. You have to when stuff like this is going on.
In Sheboygan, Sean Gallagher, today's TMJ4.